Tia avoid in kanrel.
We don't count by the celebration,
Akum tin kanrel.
but we count by the year.
Ka keimani hakol in kanle piak na lai.
All right, I will say in Hakka.
Kum somsari le kum riat tlin nak chin mi puni yese.
That's basically the title.
Se ma kakasi ka zaironga da kum somsari le kum riat atlin ti ka kachimlai.
I will tell you guys how it has become the 78th anniversary.
Thongkhat le zakua le somli le kum riat February thani kul kha.
In 1948, February 20th,
Falam e conference ni kha Chin National Day tia anti.
they used the day of the Falam Conference as Chin National Day.
Ahoni da bichanak tua discussion Chin Affairs Council ni bichanak tua.
Who make it like that? It was the Chief Council affair.
Zaiti kuma da bichanak tua.
When did they make that decision?
Chin Affairs Council thongkhat le zakua le songa kuma bichanak tua.
They made the decision at the Chin Affair Council in 1950.
Avoid kat na Chin National Day celebration and to he thongkhat le zakua le kum songa le kum khat ase.
The first Chin National Day was celebrated in 1951.
Mindata anak tua.
It was in Mindat Township.
Chu cha cha akuma rela chun.
So if we count by the year,
Kum somsari le kum riat asi.
it's the 78th year or anniversary.
Avoid in rela chun.
And if we count by the celebration,
1950 minus 2006 asi.
you will have to do 1950 minus 2026.
Kum ze avoid voice na da sila esta match ne thiam lo.
I don't know. He asked me to do the math, but I don't know.
Okay, 2026 minus 1950 siachun 75 asi.
So it will be the 75th celebration.
Chu cha chun avoid in kanrel lo.
So we have to count by the
Akumin
celebration.
kanrel. Akumin kanrel.
So we will have to count by the year.
1948 February thani kul ni kha zaironga da Chin Affairs Council ni khani khan lakti kha chim ka du phone.
And I want to tell you guys why they choose February 20th, 1948.
Falam conference I bichat nak amuru khan lak.
They take the decision from the Falam Conference.
Zaida Falami conference bichat nak amuru ji he say.
And this was the decision.
Rojou mi boy sina kha anfo. Rojou mi boy sina kha anfo.
That pointed at the hereditary chieftainship. And they abolished that.
Zaidan bolis antua.
Are you asking me a question?
Si mirang hol bun chim tantua.
Okay, they abolished the
They abolished
hereditary